Welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how all the users, registered or not, may easily find, select, and contact Volvo Penta Center on any matter across the globe. We are starting our journey from the volvopentashop.com homepage. Let's assume that our user is in the UK. As you may have noticed, the Show Map Country and the Select Ship to Country fields are predefined. All valid Volvo Penta Centers that can deliver parts to your country will be pinned on the map. However, you can easily change the country name in both fields with the help of the drop-down lists. All the service areas, marine leisure, marine commercial, and industrial, will also be selected by default. If you need to filter available Volvo Penta Centers by service areas, you can use these checkboxes. In addition, zoom in, zoom out, and drag and drop options will help you navigate through the map. The key information about the Volvo Penta Center will appear in a pop-up once you point to the Volvo Penta Center red pin. If you need to find a specific Volvo Penta service dealer, type its name in the Filter Service Dealers field and let the system update the map. The available pins will be marked in blue. The click on the logo or the name of a Volvo Penta service dealer will redirect you to the Volvo Penta Center homepage. In order to return to the map and select another Volvo Penta Center and Volvo Penta service dealer, click on Select Another Shop button. Locate Me and display the closest Volvo Penta Center web shop. We'll display the closest Volvo Penta Center on the map ready to assist you. In case you are looking for a Volvo Penta Center in a specific city, type it in the Find Closest Volvo Penta Shop field. Explore the map to contact your Volvo Penta Center today.